Welcome to Stowe Industry Supplies, HETAS Approved Training Centre and Replacement Parts Specialists. Today we're going to show you one of our new product lines by Armorgard. It's the E-Kart EK3G. The EK3G is a motorised heavy-duty sack truck capable of lifting 450 kilograms, ideal for moving building products or, in our industry, heating appliances. To turn it on, simply press the green button here, pull the trigger in to go forwards, push the trigger out to go backwards. Also features a strap, quite heavy duty as well, with quite a big circumference on that as well. Simply just put it nice and tight around whatever product you're moving. For packing the e-cart away, so ideally in a van, it's quite simple. We've got a pin here which we can take out. As you can see, we've got more pins here if we want to take it out altogether. But I'll just stick this up, pull the ratchet strap over, and just tighten it up. Makes life a bit easier for storing, whether it's in a warehouse or if it's in your van. And like I say, if we want to disassemble it altogether, take the pin out on each side. And you can use it just as a sack truck. Still motorised. For tighter spaces will make life a little bit easier. I'm going to show one of the more awkward appliances to move. Tall cylindrical stove. E-Kart makes it easier than ever to manoeuvre heavy goods through tight spaces. It can also handle bumps, ramps, gravel and grass. Armorgard also manufacture a wide selection of innovative storage solutions such as Oxbox and Trek Drawer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.